Alright, well there it is. Gonna be resting in the snow for a little while. Nice F-shack for some varmint. Alright, been a day, maybe two, and it's like Santa Claus with the cookies. I just see some crumbs and parts and stuff, so looks like he got the air conditioner off, pump off, the compressor, and then also the headers. You can see the headers off, and by what I can see, I think all the studs came out. So no issues, doesn't look like, with the exhaust coming out. So anyway, little bit of progress, but nothing too serious, so we'll wait for another night. Okay, so we've been plugging away here, and we got the intake manifold off. Looks like it had a renter that's been evicted. No problem. So the reason we took the intake off is so we can get a lift plate bolted down here, so we can actually get this lifted out and out of the frame, get the frame out of here. So we're gonna lift the engine, transmission, and transfer case all in one shot, hopefully. At least that's the plan. So in our effort to kind of strip this out a little more, we're emptying the fuel out of the fuel tank, and we just took the connector that was there. That harness was already kind of ruined from the accident, and got our 12 volts here, and then came over to here. Here's the fuel line going up to the front, up to the motor. Just unhooked it right here and teed off, and now we're just emptying down into this tank. So that's how we're gonna hopefully drain the tank without spilling a ton anyway. Alright, well that worked. The lines got a little warm, our little wires got a little warm, but we pumped her all out, and it started to sputter, so I think we got 2 gas cans out of the deal. So I don't know what we're gonna do next, but we'll figure it out here. So there it sits. Busted wheels, old fuel tank, fuel pump, an exhaust system, and brake lines, and a front steering rack. That's about all that's left. We took most of the wiring off of it. You never know what you're gonna need there. And otherwise it's just a kinked frame. So anyway, now we'll see about that motor. Okay, so we got the engine off of the frame laying here, and everything looks reasonably fine. Got the water pump pulled out. I guess that was kind of a chore. It has like a little O-ring that sits right here and keeps it in the block, but there it is right there. And then all the rest of these parts, starter, alternator, airbox, computer, headers, we don't need the AC stuff, but all the harnessing, the intake, we're going to keep all that stuff for now, just kind of a in-case type deal. And I don't know what exactly of it we're going to end up using, or if we're going to get new, or how it's going to work, but anyway, kind of a fun project to tear apart. So we'll see about getting this kind of packaged up and put away into storage. Alright, well, the old Coyote is in its, for now, resting place up there on a pallet. Motor trans and transfer case, steering column, and a bunch of other parts up there. So it'll sit there for a minute until the Bronco is ready for its new heart. Alright, so gone is the truck, and here begins the work on the Bronco. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll have more information on Bronco progress in the next one.